So now we will discuss about this blog post, that is how to code Claude Code in 200 lines of code. So this is one of the popular blog posts that I have found, and this person really explained in a proper way that Claude Code is nothing but the 200 lines of code, and also he shared that 200 lines of code in that blog post. I will share this link in description, but before that let me tell you in a short summary that what this blog post is about. You see that he's saying the main mental model is that you are saying you are sending the message, and that LLM will take the message and it will decide that which tool needs to be activated, and after that your program will execute that tool call, and after that the result gets back to the LLM, and LLM uses that context to continue or respond. This is the main thing that all of the AI coding agent, let's say Cursor, Windsurf, Claude Code, any of the AI coding agent actually uses this normal mental model. This is the main theory. Okay. Now if you see, three tools are the important. One is the read files, list file, and edit file. Okay, if you want to make any kind of AI coding agent, then you need only these three tools. And after that, Claude Code actually have used grep, bash, web search. They have integrated it to add more capabilities. Okay. Now he's saying that if you have made one AI coding agent, and if you have integrated these three tool capabilities, read, list, and edit, and if you are keeping this structure, okay, then it is only 200 lines of code, and anyone can make their own coding agent like the Claude Code. And also he has given the line by line codes. Okay, first here you see that setting up the scaffolding, and here actually you are making the client, and after that here you see that this is the result path, and this is the implementing tool read file. This is the read file tool call, and after that list file, and this is the edit file. Now here is the interesting thing, that the tool registry, you have given all of that tools information inside this tool registry, and now this is the LLM that will take your prompt, and it will understand that which tool to be activated, and this is the actual reason that we should take the good model. Okay, now if I show you one thing, that then you will understand. So here they have written these things. You see that where is that part? Yes, the LLM never actually touches your file system. Okay, it just asks for things to happen, and your code makes them happen. Your code means all of the tool calling code that you have written for making your AI coding agent. So as a user, you are thinking that LLM actually modifying your code. No, LLM does not touch your file. Your file means in your folder you may have the .py file for Python, .js file, or .java file. Any kind of file you can have, but LLM actually never touches your file system. Okay, so then who will touch your file system? Your program. All of the tool calls that you have written, they will actually touch your file system. Now who will activate that tool call? The LLM model. So that's why we need to choose, or we need to select the best model that can actually call the tool in a proper way. Okay, so Gamma 4 is the best model currently, 31 billion and 26 billion, and Claude models are the best model, and there's some other open source and closed source model. So that's why companies are trying to make a good model with the good function calling or tool calling capability. Okay, currently all of the models you see that is getting published, all of that model have the tool calling or function calling capabilities, because currently we are going to the era agentic AI era. Okay, means anywhere you see that all are actually AI agent kind of things, because without AI agent, what will you do with a normal model, right? So this is the preparing tool call, the LLM call, and here you see the agent loop. Okay, and yes, this is the full source code. And if you see that he also shared the full source is about 200 lines, and if you go to this GitHub repository, then you will find the whole source code. I will actually share that. So go to the site. Okay, so drive. Okay, Google Drive will open. Yes, here you see this is the full source code. If you copy this and use it in your local folder or directory, then you will make your own AI coding agent like the Claude Code. Okay, so please give it a try.